Hey up, Kipper here again. Got another little video for you, just another little slideshow. What I'm trying to do with these slideshows is get all the photos of past dioramas off my little laptop. And but this little one here, it was a test piece. Because when you see the price of resin, and as the hobby's taking off more and more, the price is just going up. It's ridiculous. So I had a scout about and had a look around and came up with this, drawing on me past skills of a chef and a merchant navy chef cook. So I've made this glycerin one, basically. You use vinegar and glycerin, and I'll put the recipe and the links and things down below. And what I did, it was just a test piece, and I used cold tea instead of water to give it that peaty water look, and it worked out well. So this is just basically bits of polystyrene stepped up, and then a few rocks that I had cast. I think I used a bit of board finish for it again, trying to save a few bob, but you don't get the hard lines with board finish or anything like that you get with a hard casting powder. I tend to buy a big bag now and then bag it up into smaller bags. I think it's about 30 quid for a 25 kilogram bag of casting powder. There's the old twisty trees. I'll do a little video on how I made them twisty trees. Again, now I'm a pensioner, I try and do things quite frugally. Keep costs to a minimum. But I think the glycerin was something like 90 pence. There we go. Glycerin, a bit of gelatin, some cold tea. And even now it's in the garage. I'm going to try and incorporate it into my model rail layout somewhere. And it's still pretty good. It's shrunk back a little bit, but not that bad. Still quite clear. Even if it goes a little bit opaque, it's okay. Just in with the modern times of all the junk they're pumping out into the waterways now. I like that effect there. Yeah, that's canny. Did that with hot glue. Got a video somewhere up about making water splashes with hot glue guns. Dead easy, have a look. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll pop a few more on anyway. Thanks for watching. Have a look at me others.